Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to perform one sample t-test in R. The codes used in this video can be downloaded using the link in the description. Students t-test for one sample is used when you have observations only on one variable. For example, my friend says that the average birth weight in sheep is 3.5 kg. However, I say no, it is not 3.5 kg. To resolve this dispute, we collected a random sample on birth weights of 10 lambs, which are here stored as 10 numeric values within X object. So let's test whether I am right or wrong. First, we will check any outlier in the data through boxplot. So you can see here there is no outlier in the data. Now we will define our null hypothesis, which is 3.5, as my friend was saying that the mean of birth weight in sheep is 3.5. So H naught is that the mean equals to 3.5. Our alternative hypothesis is what I wanna test, that is mean is not equal to 3.5. So let's put this information into code. Type t.test and within this function type x that represents our data, then add mu which represents the true value or the value we wanna test. Here it is 3.5, then add alternative equals to two-sided because we only want to test whether mean equals to 3.5 or not. Then add confidence interval 0.95 as we normally use 95% confidence interval. As you run the code, R will give you output of t-test like this. Here you can see t statistic, degrees of freedom and p-value that is less than 0.05. So it means that null hypothesis is rejected and alternative hypothesis is true. In simple words, it means that the mean of birth weight in lambs is not equal to 3.5 kg. So my friend was wrong. Here you can also see the range of 95% confidence interval, which is between 1.95 to 3.14. It means that if we redo sampling for the same population with same conditions, then we are confident that 95 out of 100 times the mean of samples will lie within this range. In addition to confidence interval, the output of t.test function also gives us the mean of x, that is 2.55. In next example, we will use the same data but with different null and alternative hypotheses. So this time our null hypothesis is that the mean birth weight is less than or equal to 3.5 kg. And our alternative hypothesis is that mean birth weight is greater than 3.5. So in this code, we will only change alternative to greater. Run the code. This time p-value is 0.99, that is greater than 0.05. So we accept the null hypothesis. It means that the mean birth weight is less than or equal to 3.5. Here the 95% confidence interval range between 2.06 to infinity. So I hope now you will be able to perform t-test for one sample in R. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.